So here are two examples of some L'Oreal facial skincare at CVS that the $5 coupon is attaching to, and that would also give you a $5 extra care bucks. Now, it could be free or it could be a small money maker, especially if you have some CRTs that you can use. So we'll start with the L'Oreal facial cleanser. Now online, it says it's $9.59. In my store, it's $9.99. So it just also depends on the price of where you're buying it. So as you can see, there's a $5 manufacturer coupon that is attaching. And then I had a CRT of 30% off facial skincare for $1.46. And then I used some percentage extra care bucks that I received. So my total for this cleanser before taxes was $3.40. So this is about $1.60 money maker for me because of my CRTs. If you don't have a CRT, then this cleanser would only be free for you after you receive your extra care bucks. Now this L'Oreal toner though, at the website, at the app, it says it's $8.49, but in my store it was only $8.19. As you can see, also the $5 coupon is attaching, and I did use some percentage extra care bucks, and so my total for this toner was only $2.90. So it is actually a almost a $2 money maker for me for this toner. So if you're on Facebook and TikTok, please like and follow. If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.